Hey, so, excuse me, I just finished watching Ip Man for the final. Listen, for nothing else, I need for y'all to go see that because of the fact that it shows you everything that we're going through right now. Even they're going through the same thing. Everybody is going through the same thing with the same people, right? But the difference is they're showing you that they're going to do it together. That they stick together. And they have somebody that will fight for them, that trained for this, just to fight for his people, even to his dying breath. I bet you he will continue to teach and fight for his people. It's just a movie, but at the same time, this is reality because we have a man standing up for us. And yet, we still can't come together. Don't you know we are nothing alone? We are everything together, and yet we still can't do that. I can't even get it through to my own kids. The importance of together. We are everything together. And we're running out of time. They thought Noah was crazy until the rain came. And then they were calling on him for help. And he wouldn't let them in. Y'all are getting to the point where it's too late. And we can't let you in. Peter Pan grew up. Turned to the Most High. I promise you, you'll see it. We don't have much time.